Many people have reported feelings of exhaustion, burnout, and stress throughout this year. Is it wise to take time off and make fun plans in 2021? Absolutely, says a clinical psychologist from the University of Canberra. And in fact, it can be good for your mental health. Hello and welcome back to Startup Yourself, where we're back with another video for you guys. Make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our future uploads. Have you been confined to your homes because of the pandemic and are looking for ways to pass your holidays? Are you tired of the same old boring routine of staying home for the past year and want to see a little change in your life and want to find out creative ways and how to do it? Well, if so, then this is the video for you. We're going to talk about different ways from which you can get the most out of the year of 2021. So, without further ado, let's get right to it. Be a tourist in your own hometown. We all have a list of places we want to travel to and new sights to see, but how much do we actually know about our hometown? Do a bit of research on what may be available in the area. Have you driven by a certain place time and time again thinking, I really should check that out? One way to become a tourist in your own area is to pretend that you have guests coming and you need to be their guide. Find all the interesting sights and things to do in your area. Then you can pretend to visit your own town as a tourist and make great memories with your friends. Go camping. While the crowds aren't a safe place to be in because of increasing threat of being infected by the virus, camping alone or with a bunch of friends sounds like a great idea. Camping refreshes the soul. Quality of life is added when we take time away from everyday life to simplify life and unwind in nature. In today's world, we're running full pace, living lives of lots of activity and packed with electronic devices. When is the last time you unplugged and spent time with your family, connected to nature? In the quiet of nature, you can refresh your mind and take some time off from your everyday work. Camping shows the simplicity of life and all the beauty around us that so often we take for granted. Waking up to the morning light with the sound of birds and other wildlife starts the day off at a relaxed pace. Learn to play an instrument. We all know that the pandemic has left us with a lot of time on our hands. What better time could be there to learn to play an instrument? In our digital age, there's no need to hire an expensive private teacher. There are plenty of free lessons on YouTube or cheap video subscription services. You get that old piano out from the attic and practice some tunes. Help with home improvement. As we all can't go out much and are stuck at home, why not make it look better? You can get paint and shelves from your nearby stores and paint those old walls and give them some new color. You can also build yourself that bookshelf that you've wanted for a long time now too. Plan a road trip to nowhere. Plan a route that takes you by gorgeous scenery or offers views of mountains and lakes. Crank up the tunes and take a drive through a nearby city to catch the sights from inside the safety and the comfort of your car. Find a road known for its beautiful foliage. Before you head back, you can grab takeout from an interesting restaurant you find and eat in the car, or pack a picnic and pick out a roadside or park bench or table and eat socially distanced before heading home. Build a treehouse. If you have little siblings or kids at home who would enjoy a little secret place for themselves, then why not build them a treehouse? If you're handy and have the space in your apartment, backyard, or any place, find a good solid tree and some instructions on the internet and create an amazing elevated space that will last for years. Get a pet. It often gets lonely at home when you can't meet your family or friends because of the pandemic. What you can do is get a pet. Not only does it keep you occupied, but you also have a friend you can play and go on walks with. Just keep in mind, if you have to take the puppy out for a walk, wear a mask. Keep 6 feet away from your neighbors and strangers and wash your hands when you come back in. That's all for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. We hope that you liked it, and don't forget to hit the like button. While you're at it, in the comments section down below, let us know what your plans are for the rest of 2021. We'll see you guys in the next one.